Going further in our lecture, I hope you guys, you are not getting tired. I hope you are not getting tired because there is lots and lots of information that is going to be offloaded. Okay, so please be attentive as I'm talking about the types of technologies. Okay. One of the type of technology basically we're going to talk about is the teaching technology. What do you understand, you students, when we talk about teaching technology? What comes in your mind? If somebody asks you a question, say teaching technology, what does it mean? Okay. So for this course, basically, we're going to look at teaching technology as defined the use of technological processes. Okay. We look at the resources themselves to facilitate and improve performance among learners. Okay. So teaching methodology, because it uses the technology, the processes, the technology themselves, the processes, the instruction materials, and the resources. When you talk about the resources here, we talk about, resources could be physical resources where we have cameras, computers, and everything. But we can also have monetary resources where we talk about money issues and so on. So all these putting together, we are trying to improve in terms of learning and performance for the learners. So examples of the ICT, materials that we use. There are many. There are softwares. There are quite many softwares. Currently, if you go on the internet, we can download quite many. Okay, softwares in specific fields. There are softwares also which are general, which you can use. But also we have apps, we have blogs. We have discussion, boards, digital whiteboards, and other very important online tools. There are online tools for students and teachers. Okay, there are quite many tools. So this improves quite the teaching competence and it modifies the way one teaches in terms of behavior, the style of teaching. We're using these gadgets, using this, this technology. We are able to modify the way we deliver. Okay, I can deliver my materials. Maybe I prepare the study material using the pamphlet. I deliver to you. I can also prepare the study material using online systems. Okay, I can prepare my study materials using maybe audio. I can use my voice to explain certain things, certain terms, and so on. So this, it helps the teaching. People behave differently as the technology also is advancing, and the style also of delivering the lecture also, changes, or you change according to the technology, and looking at also the focus is on your learners. Are they achieving their objectives? So that, is looking at scientific outlook. We're talking about attitudes and approach.